Build SEO seasonality projections with Google Trends in Python. Road mapping season is upon us, and, if you're an in-house SEO like me, that means it's time to set your FY20 goals for the SEO channel. To set realistic goals, we first need to understand how much traffic we can reasonably drive from SEO this year. To figure this out, we must first answer a few questions. How much traffic are we currently driving from SEO? If we only take seasonality into account, how much traffic will we drive this year? What impact do we expect from the projects on our roadmap? This article will help answer some of these questions and tie it all together to set your SEO traffic goal using Python and some very basic Excel functions. How much traffic are we currently driving from SEO? Export monthly traffic for the past year from your analytics platform, Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics. Feel free to use whichever metric you think is best. This can be users, visits, sessions, entrances, unique visitors, or a different metric that you use. I recommend using whichever metric is most indicative of search behavior. I personally believe that metric is entry visits/entrances from SEO because a user can enter from search multiple times and we want to capture each entrance. Feel free to use whichever metric is your source of truth. The data should be formatted similar to the table below. How much traffic will we drive if nothing changes? This question is generally the hardest to answer. In the past, I've seen some people use traffic patterns from prior years to project seasonality, but if you're on any sort of growth trajectory, which I hope you are, this won't work for you. I recommend an alternative solution, a seasonality index built with Google Trends data. Google Trends has a wealth of information about search demand. Google Search Console has a wealth of information about the searches that drive traffic to your website. Connect the two and watch the magic happen. Step 1. Export Google Search Console data. Navigate to the Search Performance tab in Search Console. Change the date range to include the last full year. For example, January 1, 2019, December 31, 2019. Next, sort the queries by clicks so the top performing keywords are at the top. Finally, export the top 1000 queries to a CSV file. Note, if you'd like to be more thorough, you can use Google Data Studio or the Search Console API to export all queries for your site. Step 2. Collect Google Trends data. A seasonality index is a forecasting tool used to determine demand for certain products or, in this case, search terms in a given market over the course of a typical year. Google Trends is a powerful tool that leverages the data collected by Google Search to quantify interest for a particular search term over time. We will use the past for more on this story. Visit the news article link.